Hey guys, the package has arrived. Here it is, and I wanted to unbox it with you. Here I will unbox it how I said. This is okay, and right now taking this off. Oh my god, I just can't wait to see what's inside. And bam, all my things, yay. Okay, I got some stickers. Yeah, I really wanted these stickers. Oh my god, I have gifts. Oh my god, I knew. Oh my god, these are gifts. I didn't order this. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, and I got a voucher too. Yay. Okay, so fine. Okay, and the nail polish UV. Oh my god, that's so cool. Put them back in because I want to unbox all the things that are in my box. And I'm sorry for all the dogs screaming. Oh my god, barking. It's real annoying right now. Oh my god, these are the wipes. I really wanted these because I just can't use all of it. Oh my god, nail clipper. Yeah, I ordered this pink nail clipper, of course, pink. And the practice finger. It is smaller than I thought, but it's pretty cute. Okay, and these are the templates where I can use them. They are like 15. And these are the fake nails. I got like 400. Yeah, exactly 400. Yay! I really want to use them because I was out of fake nails. Yeah, that's really cool. Okay, and now this is the nail drill. It's really cute, and I really want to see how it works because it looks kind of cute, and it's semi-professional. And these are all my gels. In the site they look different, but I'm sure it's the same color because I trust this site. Oh my god, it's so cute. I really wanted that green, yeah, and that peachy, yeah. Okay, I really wanted that. Okay, so now they are kind of done. Yeah, actually. Oh yeah, it's so cute. Yeah, I have like 8 or 9 of them. Oh yeah, this yellow. I really want this yellow. Yay. Okay, and now I'll put them back together again. So subscribe for part 2 to see how I unbox all the products and use them. Bye bye.